My name is Koiula Lau. My job here at CommuteAir, I am a recruiting specialist, specifically on the maintenance and corporate side. I've been in this industry really my whole life. My parents were pilots and flight attendants, and my brother's a pilot. So it's really exciting to be part of this when you know it's a stable industry. And so the first quality that we look for when we're hiring mechanics is obviously, do you have your airframe and your power plant license? From there, we love to see individuals who have had, experience working on vehicles or even aircrafts, just a genuine interest in the industry. The training program, you get so many benefits out of it. Obviously, you all get the hands-on experience. You also have the resources there for career counseling, and that definitely helps to have your foot in the door before you've even seen the door. The career path here at CommuteAir is very exciting. Since we are not union, there's definitely room to move up and grow with the company at your pace. We've had people promote from mechanics to leads in as early as 6 months, really. When you're looking for a career in this industry, the advice that I would give you is show your passion in your interview, become extremely passionate about it, look at things online, really just live and breathe aviation. It's a ever-evolving industry. It's also one of the heaviest regulated industries, so to stay up to date with technology is imperative in your success in aviation. We have wonderful students that we'd love to hire, so they definitely make great new hires for us.